Today we're going to be debunking the Sounds from Hell audio file that's been circulating around the web. The story originates supposedly in Siberia, where they were drilling and they get a few miles down, they hit a cavity, they lower a heat-resistant microphone down, and they hear horrible wailing sounds, supposedly to be the damned burning in torment. I'd like to start off by saying that I'm a Christian. I had a near-death experience in which I saw hell. I very much believe and know that hell is real. However, this story is not. The sound file is from a movie called Barren Blood. Let's give a listen to the Sounds from Hell audio file. That's enough of that. Now let's listen to the Blood Baron.
With a little imagination, you should be able to envision the torches and hear the screams that echoed through here. Those recorded screams in the Baron's day were real.
Okay, now let us look at the Sounds from Hell audio file. See if it tells us anything. Alright, a casual glance at this should tell you a couple of things. It is very uniform. It looks to me like it has been layered several times and looped. There's a segment here that stands out. Let's give it a listen. Now let's go to the next segment that looks similar and give it a listen. Alright, let's ping pong them, see if they sound the same. There's one thing I hate about people in hell, it's that they seem to be very repetitive. Let's hear some more at 12. Alright, 25. And at 37. Now it's ping pong. This file has been looped and layered over itself several times to make the 20 or 30 voices from Blood Baron sound like a few hundred. But in case you're not convinced, we're going to listen to them both together. This is the original Sounds from Hell file. This is Blood Baron. I know what you're thinking, they don't sound the same, but let's listen to them together and see if there's anything that stands out or that is glaringly different. Not much. So the conclusion here is that while hell is real, this story is not, and the sound file is from a movie. I'd like to encourage my fellow Christians to continue searching for the truth, and for any of you who do not believe in hell or who are looking, I hope that you find Jesus. But sorry to say, this story is not true. I hope you have found this enlightening, and I hope that you keep seeking for the truth.